Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add the audio on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Filmora app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now you can see I have added the video. Now to add the audio, simply tap onto audio option at the bottom just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the music option just right here. Now tap on it. Now simply add one of the music that you want to add, just like this. Now to add the audio, simply tap onto plus button right here. Now tap on it, like this. And now you can see the audio has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the audio in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.